Welcome back. 100 words for 100 days. In this quick learning English video, we are going to learn the word is leave no stone unturned. It's a very important word we often use in our regular conversation. Let's get started. I'm Ithaya. This is Literary Taste. What does it mean by leave no stone unturned? As usual, I'm gonna give you an example sentence. Let's guess it. I will leave no stone unturned until I find out who did this. What do you think this means? To do everything you can to achieve your goal. Use every available resource to complete a task. ஒரு விஷயத்தை செய்து முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் அதில் நான் விடாப்பிடியாக இருப்பேன் அப்படிங்கிறது. Let me give some examples. I left no stone unturned when I was researching my thesis topic. I think I checked out every book on it that the library had. Police vowed to leave no stone unturned trying to track down the fugitive. I hope you have understood this word very well right now. I will meet you with new words in next video. Till then, bye bye.